Okay, another brand of the pelleting machine. Now this comes with about the smallest size. It comes with a size 22 cast iron mixer, and then you can change the dies right in front for those people who are on a budget. Now it comes with a half horsepower machine, and then once you plug it on, you are on. So for those of you on a budget, this is a machine that can actually meet your needs for pelleting feeds if it has to be sinking. Starfish talking. Here are the pelleting machine. Nice efficient stuff. Okay. Now there is the material being mixed together. Okay, and then we got the one right on the floor then, and then here we got stuff. Okay, so this is letting out using a simple meat shredder. It's changing the okay. New ones are coming in. Okay, so we end up having insects coming out. Interesting. So this is going to be dried out before being administered to the fish, and it can be administered fresh. So this is a simple pelleting machine. If you want a copy of this kind of machine, then call John on your screen.